Hello everyone, you're welcome to Education Online Tutorial and I'm Onyeke Peculiar. Today we are going to be trying to create this female flip-flop on the screen. And what I started with is I drew a circle. I actually drew a circle. Then I decided to extend it all around. Your circle depends on the size of what you're doing. The size of what I want is 4 centimeters. The width of the circle is actually 4 centimeters. So after extending it and drawing it out, I'm going to be trimming it this way. You're going to be careful when trimming inside because sometimes if you're not careful, you trim it excessively, and this is how my circle actually came out. So what I will do next is I'm going to be folding this into two. I folded the pattern into two and drew it on my cardboard. After drawing it, I'll take my ruler just to straighten the lines. I just want the lines to be straight down. So this was what it finally gave me. Now I'm going to be trimming it out. After trimming it out, I will now go over to the next step of what I am supposed to do. But instead of me creating this pattern all over again, like folding the circle into two and trying to create it again, I just had to place this on my cardboard this way just to create the other part of the pattern I am trying to do. Now that I am done with it, yes, so I'm going to remove it for you to see and see how it looks like. I'm just going to apply my contact adhesive on this part and also try to apply it on the other one. Yes, this way, and try to look at it very well, placing them together. I cut out the excesses because I noticed it is disturbing what I am trying to do. So in case yours is not placed properly, please open and try to adjust it and make sure it aligns very well. Now I'll be trimming all the excesses out, and I'll also be trimming the middle part of this pattern. And after I was done trimming it, this is how it looks like. If you watch the pattern very well, it's looking like these patterns are together, like we drew it together, but we didn't draw it together, we had to gum them along the way. We had to attach them together. So I had to fix them into my circle this way. Be careful so your circle don't tear. So this is how the pattern actually looks like. You see how pattern is very easy to create. In case you've not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe now, and also press the notification bell so you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. I guess we upload new videos, new content almost every day, just for you to enjoy creating pattern yourself from the comfort of your home. Can you see how beautiful this looks? And the process for creating it is actually very easy. And another thing, don't forget to share, because sharing is actually caring. Sharing tells us how much you care. I just want to say thank you for joining us in today's tutorial. I still remain Onyeke Peculiar, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.